What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for 13-14 Panini National Treasures here tonight. Should be a good one. Let's get it going. We're live. Good luck. 4 times under random, as always, will get us our teams. 7:59. We're live at 9:30. Tony, to Clay, Anaheim, to Winnipeg. Good luck, folks. We got 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Okay, third timestamp is at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock it is, last and final on the teams, and we'll copy them over after the timestamp. I'm not used to doing teams beforehand anymore. I'm spoiled from the site. Fourth timestamp is at 8 o'clock. And 8 o'clock it is. Montreal, great team to have in this stuff. Top spot to Calgary, also a great team to have in this stuff. So keep your eyes out there. Then we got Winnipeg to Anaheim. There's your teams. Time to do your names. 8 o'clock. We got Tony to Clay. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3 will be a timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock it is. Last and final random on the names, and we'll copy them over. Fourth and final timestamp. Oops. Fourth and final timestamp is at 8:01. At 8:01 it is. Copy them over. Ian, top spot, man, to get Montreal. Congrats on that one. To Jared. Jared is getting Calgary by the look of things. And then Ian to Mike Jared. All right, folks, here's your teams. We got Ian Montreal, Scott San Jose, Alex New Jersey, Clay Pittsburgh, Ian Carolina, Josh Detroit, Sean the Leafs, Ian Philly, Jay Ottawa, Buffalo, Corey Rangers, Newfie Bullet Vancouver, Jay Washington, Ian Minnesota, Jared Calgary, Ian Winnipeg, Mark Boston, Ian Chicago, Johnny Tampa Bay, Ian Islanders, Jay Florida, Brian Colorado, Tony Dallas, Ryan LA, Tim is Edmonton, Mark Nashville, Josh Columbus, Tim Arizona, Corey Moore St. Louis, and Mike is Anaheim. There's your teams. We are live in an hour and a half. We'll see you then, folks. Best of luck.